Hey, it's your host Sauce from the Viral Kingdom, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this GTA 5 filter on TikTok. It's really easy to do and it's going to take no time to show you how to do it. Before I do get into that, I do have to ask you guys, could you go down and leave a like on this video and consider subscribing if you're into TikTok related content, as I always post tutorials on TikTok on this channel. If that's something you're interested in, make sure you do subscribe so we can hit 100,000 subscribers. That's the end goal, so let's try and hit that. Without further ado, let's get right into this video. So what you want to do is open up Snapchat and go to the top left where you see the search bar, hit that, and then you want to type in Grove Street World and you'll see it pop up, and it's by Nikita Treshalov. You just want to click on that and bam, that's how you get the filter. And then you can move around the characters, the GTA characters, to wherever you want on the screen. You can make them larger, smaller, and then you just want to record that video for your TikTok. And once you're done recording it, you just want to save it, and then you can open it up on TikTok, and then you can use this sound right here that I have on screen, the San Andreas radio edit sound, and you can use that and then make your TikTok. So bam, very short and easy and right to the point. I hope you guys did enjoy that tutorial. If you did, leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more tutorials, and I hope you guys have yourselves a great rest of your day. Peace. See ya later.